Welcome back, guys, welcome back. So check this out. I changed out the motor in here to a 3500 kV. It's still a 2835. I'm gonna get her going, tape her up, and we'll throw her in the water. Check water cooling. Make sure it's all good. We'll take it easy because I'm not trying to make any mistakes today. Probably drop that turn fin a little. Yeah, she's running nice, she's running nice. Yeah, these little ones are dialed in stock. Oh, I love these little hydros. It's a little choppy for the speed run. You gotta be kidding me. There you are. All right, we're bringing you back out. She did a nice submarine there. And it's a little cold this morning, so this tape is not really staying on very well. You see what I'm saying? Not bad. I'm gonna let her, yeah, a little bit of water. I'm gonna let her dry out because these ESCs do not like to run wet. Put her out here in the sun, we'll let her dry, and we will pull out the red hydro and see if we can get close to some records. I'm sure she needs some tuning. She hasn't been, this is a brand new boat. I haven't put her in the water yet. So here she is.